Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and review what the markets are doing right now. And is it actually going to start, pushing up now, or is it just a little pullback and continuation to the downside? Let's see what's going to happen. Um, right now, you can see here pretty much it was a green day, nice green day today after the price was consolidating right here. Pretty much all indices, Nasdaq, US 30, S&P 500, they were consolidating, right? And then for a moment, I was thinking that, okay, we might have maybe another leg or another drop right here in this consolidation. But the market actually ended up breaking this zone. So we had a little loss right here on 5 minute time frame, 1 minute. Basically, here we were trying to catch a little sell, but and with the New York Stock Exchange opening, actually ended up breaking to the upside. That's fine. I was actually um, I wanted to see a breakout more than a sell, even though I was actually looking for a little sell scalping right there. But then ended up actually breaking to the upside, which is lovely. So what we're seeing right here, you see the lines that I'm using are for the swing trading strategy. So we're going to go which one, for example, right now, if you go this way, you see that the market tend to go a little bit below the 600 or touches the 600 and then starts pushing up. It touches a little bit, touches a little bit. Right here, coronavirus. But look at here. So in comparison, this massive drop we had on the entire month of January, in comparison to coronavirus, you might say is actually like even the same, like either the same or almost the same. I'm gonna draw a box here for that entire size. Look at that. It's almost the same drop, almost the same size of a drop right here with coronavirus. So this drop, this crash was huge, was definitely huge for the entire month of January. So this is what we have right now. The market is now, you see the blue line is the 80 EMA, and the red line right here, or the green line basically is changing color, but the red line here is the 600. So market is starting to climb on top, breaking on top of the 80 EMA. Let me go back to the coronavirus drop right here. So you see the market actually started to break, and it was like a consolidation until actually finally started climbing on top. So don't get frustrated if you might say, "Oh my God, I missed the push right here. I missed the entire push." No, don't worry. The market could still be consolidating, or just wait for that little pullback. Okay, after the breakout, we could have a correction, or the price could even reach until tomorrow, maybe this zone, and then come back down to retest the 80 EMA. So on the 80 EMA, once it comes back to retest, you can spot a nice buy right there, so you can go all the way to the top. Jesus, I'm sorry for the noise. If you hear a background noise, my neighbor is doing something or drilling the wall or something. Anyways, so right there, nice push, nice big momentum right here. This could be a nice demand zone also. But let's see if the market is actually gonna get this low. I don't think so. It's already too far. Let's see on the daily. No, at least we're starting to see momentum, big momentum candles to the upside, which is a big difference, um, right here. So yeah, this could actually mean it's the beginning of the actual trend, the continuation to the upside. And as I mentioned, let's see how far it's going to go here. Wait for a retest, and boom, look for an entry on the retest. Okay, so looking good so far, looking really good. Nasdaq, let's go. US 30, basically something like this as well, like kind of like expecting a little pullback here, a little correction, to then go buying. Now, a few things. Let's see. Yeah, just look at all these weeks rejections right there on the daily time frame. Look at all these weeks. a lot of indecision right now, and now finally seeing bullish momentum. Okay, so again, we could expect a little pullback to retest the previous zone, and then continuation to the upside. All right, just right there. At least the price is breaking above now the 80 EMA. So during Asian session, we could have a little consolidation, or it might be playing around here for a few days, or even get lower. Okay, don't get me wrong. This is just a test as entry. I have not done this entry, so it's just an analysis. So price could push up, pull back, and then continuation, maybe reaching previous zone right here on a weekly. So at least it's starting to look nice. It broke. You see, it was also consolidating here, several touches, four touches in this area, and now broke this roof right here, this resistance. It broke it. So nice breakout right there. Waiting for that pullback to get in. S&P 500, basically the same thing. It was also another consolidation. Price was not doing anything here until actually today it broke this nice 4-hour candle, breaking previous zone and even breaking the 80 EMA. So if we go also with the S&P 500, if we go to the past, this one, it didn't get as low as coronavirus. This one was huge, but in this one so far, it was not that big. So let's see what's gonna happen, okay? Because like if you see this from here, this might look like just a breakout, a retest of the 600, and then continue to the downside. So it's also possible. All right. So just be careful right now. At the moment, you can just keep spotting buys, maybe quick scalps. Once it reaches the zone, you find an entry point, and then you make your buys. Maybe aiming or looking for previous zones, okay, previous highs right here, here, here. All right. So, but at least it's a good sign that the price is getting out of the consolidation box. Okay. So if it broke to the upside, it means that most likely will continue now to the upside. Alrighty. Let's see real quick. By the way, German 40th, I think is. Uh, let's see if it's mirroring or not. It's been consolidating here in this zone as well. A lot of indecision, so ups and downs, ups and downs. 4-hour time frame. Looks like he haven't gotten out yet of that consolidation. But if these three are gonna be pushing, most likely German 40 would also be pushing and breaking to the upside. So you could start be looking for buys above this zone. Be careful there in this area right now because it could just bounce and go down again. So this one at least has not broken that zone. Let's go on gold. This was an entry we caught there on the VIP as well. Gold did broke that channel. It broke it very strong to the downside. Very very massive drop. This was a huge drop, but 660 pips. Huge. So right now, let's see if it's gonna do a pullback. It could even stop this thing on break even. Or is it going to be a head and shoulder maybe, and then it's going to start pushing up again? Very likely. Gold is it's very hectic, but right now I do believe it's definitely going to be reaching this zone at least before it starts pushing up, or even continuing melting. Right now we're still within that big channel right there. So let's see what's going to happen with gold. Is it going to continue dropping? Is it going to stop right there or not? Or is it going to go up now? Let's see. Bitcoin, pretty much everything. You see, like everything was green today. It was a really nice day for in overall for everything. So Bitcoin went up a little bit. Again, trying to reach the 40K. So is it actually a pullback? Is it going to be a pullback? You see that nice head and shoulder. The price broke the neckline and went down. So is it a pullback and then we'll continue to get to reach maybe the 30K? Most likely. I would say yes. I would say we'll do it. Ethereum. Ethereum also had a nice trend right there and started breaking. It broke the $4,000, then it went to the 3,000. It broke the 3,000. So right now it's like between three 3,000, 2,000. So is it going to do again? Is it going to do a pullback, just a retest here and continuation to the 2,000? Very likely. And then maybe once it reaches this point, once it reaches this area, a lot of people will most likely will start getting into buys again, buying Ethereum or Bitcoin as well. So it's cheap. Definitely, the markets are cheap in overall. Markets are cheap. Even the stocks at a certain point they were very very cheap. So it's a good moment to buy right now. And even swing trading. So that is basically it, guys. I just wanted to give you that in there. Thank you so much for watching. And giving every single thumbs up that you leave in there. It keeps me motivated to keep posting videos every single day, and I'll try to do it every single day and weekly as well. So thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Telegram if you want to see all the analysis that I'm posting on a free group in there. If you're interested on the actual mentorships that I'm offering or the course that I'm offering as well, I'm offering a bundle. So you can just go on my website, teamprofitsfx.com, and you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, promise you will love that. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, guys.